I think I'm going to tackle those knobs. I have a drill stand and I had a 14mm bit, but I didn't have a drill that it would fit. This is actually my neighbour's drill, so we're going to try that, and I have to use the 6mm by that much depth. So I don't think you see it, but there's like a little rim a few mil away from the edge there, and that happens to be a 14mm diameter. So that's why I'm putting that right where you see it. And I've just put these on as like a guide. Certainly better, but I feel I can go a little bit more, just a little bit over here. Goes on. Well, that was a 6mm bit. Now it seems too big, but that's fine because there's that little nut in there, screw even. Let me have a think about this. It's a little bit, hold on. Tell you what I do have that may counter that. I have some of those little sleeve things. Let me see if one of those will help tighten it up a little. Hopefully. Ooh. Nice. That's too big again. That's interesting. Definitely on the right track. Maybe that was tighter than I thought it was, and it was the nut that was moving. Yep, we're good. We're good. One's done, two more to go.